Adu katno ngin siaset phatok haune virus. Haba kalat berlaj nu kadon. Ini ban simbet yaka. Aya ketika khawit kerkendai. Kena ikun baki kena persya ya kena kekhlam.
Hadin bana kaliang MDC ka Mawlai constituency uba tebor lang pathau berharangkat ki khandai ngut kirang basnong jong ka Mawlai kilali benya kendu yu menteri rang ba gejela u konrad konggal sangma bad yu sembut menteri rang ba gejela uba Preston Tensong na kabenta ban Crpf ika Sorkar ban Kynriah no ika Ktem Pulit Crpf ka bah Mawlai halor kate gejing Crpf MDC bad kirang basnong na kaliang menteri rang ba bad u sembut menteri rang ba gejela kilap diang ya kate gejing Crpf bad kilo ongru bana kaliang ka Sorkar kan Kynriah no kham kloi kat bala ya kate ka Ktem Pulit Crpf syakawai pat kajaka khanang banla banonra ya ka songsuk songsain.
Today, the local MDC from Mawlai constituency, Shri Taiborlang Pathau, along with 9 Rangbashnongs from Mawlai area had met me to discuss about some of the current issues that are there and also regarding some of the issues in regards to Mawlai area. First and foremost, they mentioned about the recent incident that took place on the 13th of August, where the MDC and the other headmen, the Rangbashnongs, have urged the government that in the interest of truth to come out, a judicial inquiry should be constituted, which should be independent in nature. So I informed all of them that the cabinet in the afternoon has already taken a decision to constitute a judicial inquiry. Second was the issue of CRPF camp, which has been a temporary camp for a very long time in Mawlai area on a land that belongs to the Art and Culture Department. Therefore, based on the memorandum that was submitted by them, I had a quick conversation with the IG from CRPF, and the IG had expressed that if the government can give an alternative location and can give a permanent site to the CRPF, they would be more than willing to shift to that new location. Therefore, that would be a situation which would be a win-win situation for both sides. And based on that, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister also was present in the meeting. And the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and myself have given an assurance to the committee that has met us this evening that we will immediately start the steps necessary to shift the CRPF camp from the Mawlai site to a permanent location, which would be in the interest of the CRPF as well as the residents of Mawlai. At the same time, we have also urged the Rangbashnongs and the MDC and other leaders for Mawlai that they should also play an active role in order to ensure that peace is restored in Mawlai area and in Shillong city as a whole. I'm happy that the Rangbashnongs and the MDC have responded very positively, and they have told us that they will do everything in their capacity to mobilize people and inform them and ensure that no further incidents take place, and to ensure that peace returns back not just to Mawlai area but to Shillong city as a whole. So it was a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that after this meeting we will see more positive results, and not only from the aspect of ensuring that there's peace in the area, but also ensuring that the problems related to the Mawlai area also are addressed. And in this area where the land is being occupied by the CRPF, we are also proposing that we should have some youth center and some cultural center, something that will be productive for the youth of that area. So that also was discussed, and we will further discuss in detail on how we can develop that area for the benefit of the people of Mawlai. Thank you.